Welcome to day 5. We are down in Hawke's Bay. We have been for the most gorgeous walk this morning up Sugarloaf Hill and somewhere else, another hill that I can't remember the name of, but around Taradale, and it's just absolutely gorgeous. So we are on day 5, and I wanted to talk to you today about share a story with you about a lady that I have been working with one-on-one. But it's not about the one-on-one. It's more about the potential of change. And we don't need to accept the status quo. We don't need for it to be, this is how it's going to be in midlife. And I talked about yesterday about the weight gain, and we don't need to accept the mood swings. We don't need to accept the berating of ourselves. And so I'm doing a name change because I'm out of respect for the client that I'm working with. But Susie came to me, and we started working together in March because she knew she wanted more accountability. 100% she wanted accountability. She was a very much a start-stop woman, and she would start off, really well, and then a couple of weeks later, she'd find it really hard, and she would totally berate herself. And she had the knowledge, and she kind of knew what she had to do, but she just couldn't make it stick. And she also wanted guidance around the food. She found the whole food side of things and fasting, but mainly the food side of things really difficult to grasp because she was getting lots of different pieces of information, and she just needed to bring it together and make it specific for her. She's also got a thyroid problem, so we've been working together and managing that around her dietary needs and the fasting. She had very, very low self-esteem. So when someone first starts working with me, I get them to fill in a progress chart. And then every month we revisit the progress chart because it's really important to be able to see the progress that you're making. Because especially with your health and well-being, you can be making really small changes and getting the wins, but actually you forget about it. So that's why I always have a progress chart so that she can keep coming back to what progress she's made. So when we first started, I just want to run off through here. Her water intake was 1 litre. She exercised twice per week. Her sleep was 5 to 6 hours per night. Her energy levels were low. Her self-love was low. Her willpower, she didn't have very much. She didn't gratitude. She did no gratitude. She did no meditation. She didn't drink alcohol, used to drink alcohol, and now she doesn't. And she had about 4 cups of coffee a day and tea, and some tea as well. By March, she was drinking 1.5 litres of water. She was exercising 5 times per week. And this lady is in her early 60s. Her sleep has gone up to 7 hours. Her energy levels are medium. Her self-love was good. Like, that is just gold for me, absolutely gold. Her willpower was a work in progress. She's doing gratitude 7 days a week. She is doing meditation 7 days a week, not drinking alcohol, and she's down to 3 coffees per week. Now, she's just filled it in on the 12th of June, and she's having a lot more herbal teas and 1.5 litres of water. She was up to 6 times per week of exercise, but unfortunately she had an accident, which was totally not her fault, but it's put her back. But get this, she's still sleeping 6 to 7 hours per week, and her moods are positive. She's gone from low to positive, and gratitude is still seven times per week. Meditation is 7 times per week. Coffee is down to 2 or 3, depending on her pain levels. The reason why I wanted to bring this to your attention is that by implementing really, really small changes, it has a huge impact. And do you know what I think the biggest changes for Susie has been? Is that she has been working really, really carefully on her mindset. It has been every day she's been doing meditation, every day she's been doing gratitude. And she's been dealing with this accident that she had where she slipped over and she's hurt her hip and she's hurt her buttocks, and she's in a lot of pain. And she's like, Wick, I am so proud of myself because I have kept a really, really positive mindset. And she's like, if I hadn't have been doing this work, I would have spiraled into a really, really dark place and out of control. And so now, and she's also noticing that her clothes are feeling looser. And she's like, I'm not even about the weight loss anymore. It is very much about the mindset and remaining positive. And whenever I have a one-on-one with her, she is glowing, even though she's had these setbacks. She's glowing. You can see her eyes sparkle, her skin sparkles. So I just want you to know that small changes have a massive impact. And if you just each week took on one small healthy habit change, and that might be, I believe that mindset is everything, because if you have got a positive mindset, you're going to talk kindly to yourself, you're going to interact kindly with other people, you're going to sleep well, you're going to make positive food choices, you're going to feel like exercising. And so that all makes a difference. So if there's one thing that you might want to implement from listening to this video, I would recommend you to start meditating. Now, meditating used to be something that was really woo-woo for me, but I am on a 72-day streak of meditating, and I've done it. I did it for years. I was very on off, but now I feel like I'm on a really good path. And I literally do about 5 to 10 minutes every morning when I get up. And I use the Insight Timer app. So if you want to take one thing away from this video, then download the Insight Timer app. It is free, and start meditating, and just do. It's just about being present. There's no right or wrong way to meditating. Or you might want to do gratitude, or you might want to focus on your sleep. Whatever it is, just start. Just choose one thing and then implement it for a week and see how you're doing. In my membership, we are doing a 7-day gratitude a meditation challenge. And it's amazing that just after we're on day 5, the women are like, this is incredible. I'm really, really enjoying it. And just starting your day like that is very, very powerful. So I want you to comment below, what healthy habit are you going to start doing from listening to this video, and what are you committing to? Tomorrow, I'm talking all about hormones again, and I'm going to share with you the hormone hierarchy, which is fascinating. It's absolutely fascinating. And I wish that I had known this when I was a lot younger, because there is a lot riding on our different hormones. And the one at the top is the one that I actually knew nothing about, and it's the most important. So I'll see you tomorrow. I can't give you a time because I'm just free rolling this, but have a wonderful rest of your evening and afternoon, and I'll see you tomorrow. Bye.